Hello fellow N-Scalers, this is Francis from Rapido coming to you live from the office. We have a very exciting announcement. Now I know a lot of N-Scalers have been feeling neglected, as have I since I'm an N-Scaler, but Rapido is very excited to announce that we will be bringing you the N-Scale RTL TurboLiner. Now, the TurboLiner was released in the 1970s by Rohr Industries in California, specifically for the Empire Corridor. Now, our N-Scale Rohr TurboLiner is designed accurately from original blueprints and field measurements. It will include features such as tinted windows, interior details, and flicker-free interior lighting. Factory-installed grab irons, highly detailed trucks including third rail shoes, working headlights, marker lights, and cab-mounted strobe lights. Both power cars will come with smooth, reliable drive systems for optimal performance. DCC models will feature sound in each power car with accurately sourced sounds remastered from original videos. Now here's the big one. These sets will feature all-wheel electrical pickup. Yes, you heard me correctly. All cars will share a pickup system, and every single wheel on your consist will pick up power. Now, we will feature these in Amtrak Phase 3 early with the additional coaches, Phase 3 late with the additional coaches, and Amtrak Phase 5 with the additional coach.